Welcome to my channel. Mini Cooper engine, types, specs, and buying tips. 1. Engine types. Mini Coopers mainly come with naturally aspirated, NA, engines or turbo engines. NA is simple, reliable. Turbo is more powerful, more fun, but more things that can go wrong. 2. Engine sizes. The most common are 1.6L and 2.0L engines. Power ranges roughly from 120 to 228 horsepower. Torque matters too. More torque is a much better punch. 3. Model years matter. Older minis, like early 2000s, have simpler engines, easier to work on. Newer models have complex electronics, turbos, and more sensors. Installation and repairs can get pricey. 4. Mileage check. Low mileage engines are gold. Less wear, more life left. High mileage or junkyard engines can work, but expect surprises. Always ask for service records. 5. Turbo versus non-turbo. Turbo engines give more fun driving, but more maintenance. Water pumps, turbochargers, and timing chains can fail if neglected. Know what you're buying. 6. Condition reports, compression tests, leak inspections, and oil checks. These are musts. Pictures online are fine, but never trust them alone. Inspect, test, verify. 7. Engine codes. Check the engine code against your VIN. Minis are small, but swaps aren't always plug and play. Turbo or manual variants may need AQ coding. 8. Warranty is your friend. Even a short warranty beats nothing. Shows seller confidence and protects you if the engine craps out after install. 9. DIY versus professional install. Some experienced owners can swap engines themselves. Label wires, take photos, track bolts. But many still need professional AQ coding afterward. 10. Buy smart, not cheap. Don't rush. Don't just chase the lowest price. Know engine type, specs, history, and compatibility. A smart buy needs fewer headaches, more fun driving your Mini. Thanks for watching.